Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It is an Origami Ladybug. And it's kind of 3D. And it has nice wings right here and a nice head. And here's the underside. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this Origami Ladybug, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of this double-sided origami paper. And you can find this on Amazon. And I'll put a link for the paper in the description. Okay, so, but you can probably use any size square for this model, or just about any type of paper. So, let's begin colored side up. So, this will give me a ladybug with red wings and a green head. So, let's begin this side up, and we're gonna fold in half. But we're just gonna make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides. So, one here, and run right there. And unfold, and now fold this edge to these 2 crease marks. And again, just make 2 more crease marks. One here, and one here. Okay, and now fold this edge to these 2 crease marks, and this time we can fold all the way across. And by the way, this green strip right here is going to be the head. Okay, like that. Alright, now turn over and fold in half. Crease sharply. And unfold. And now fold this edge to the crease. We're making a door base now. Yeah, there's people mowing outside. So I'm sorry you have to hear that in the background. Okay. And repeat on this side. Because my table is right in front of my windows, so yeah. Okay, see? That's what it looks like right there. Alright, now fold, let's turn over and let's fold in half like this. Okay? Alright, now turn back over. So here's the side with the edges. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this raw edge and we're going to fold it to this edge, but don't make the fold, just make a crease mark right there. And now unfold, and now fold to your crease mark and just make a crease mark right there. Okay, now unfold, and now comes a kind of tricky step, not really though, not too bad. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this, and we're going to make the fold originate at that point right there, so where this crease hits the edge. And so, I'm going to use my pointer. So we're going to make a fold in between this point and this point right there, at that crease mark. Alright. Just like that. And keep it folded. And you can fold that up like that. Alright? And now do the same thing on this side. So first, make the crease marks like this. And fold to the crease mark and make a crease mark. Alright, now unfold this side. And make a fold connecting this point and this point. And this raw point right there should pretty much be touching that crease mark right there. Okay, like that. Alright, now refold that. So here are the wings right here, and we're going to round them later. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this mountain fold right here, and we're going to fold it up how much? Well, you could fold it to the right to the edge if you want, but I think it looks better if you go a little bit past. So just fold it a little bit beyond the edge. Just about like that. Or you can do it to taste if you want. It's pretty much to taste. Just fold it about like that. Alright, and then turn over and make this fold nice and sharp. Okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the middle. And we're folding inside here too. And it's not going to lie flat yet. So to make it lie flat, we're going to squash. So squash it so that this crease right here aligns with this edge. Like that. And make that fold nice and sharp. Okay, and then now take this edge and fold it to here. We're repeating on this side. Alright, and then once you got it, squash right here. Okay, so that was probably the hardest step. And now the rest of the steps, we're just going to shape it to taste now. So here's the ladybug, and I'm going to shape the head first. So just shape it to taste, round it however you like. It'll probably be better if you use foil origami paper, so that way these flaps stay down. But it looks nice out of normal paper too. And on here, on the two sides, there's actually a guide mark. You can take this edge and fold it to this line right here, this crease. But you can do it to taste if you want. That's just a little guide mark you can use there. And it makes the model look perfect. Man, those people out there are really mowing. Yeah, sorry for all the background noise. Just do what you gotta do. Okay, and then now on here, you can kind of look at it from the side, just make sure you're not doing it too much. Just fold it about like that. And repeat on this side. Then look at it from this side. Yeah, it's good. Alright, and then now, on here, same sort of thing, just fold this point behind to taste, about like that. And same on the side. Okay, so here is the ladybug. And if you like a 2D ladybug, then you're done. But if you want to make it 3D, just like this one, then here's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a mountain fold that aligns with this edge and this edge. So here we go. So just kind of pinch right here. And I'm going to start at the thick part right here, because it's more difficult there. So just make a fold aligning with that edge. Like that. Make that nice and sharp. Okay, and repeat on here too. So align with this edge. I'm going to start at the thicker part. Yeah, it's a little bit more difficult right here because it's more layers. Okay, and then now bring those two folds together. Like this. And then now look at it from this side. And we're going to lock it together. So to do that, take this edge and fold it to this crease. Like that. And then make that fold nice and sharp. Alright, and now it's 3D. So, there you have it. Alright, and if you'd like, you can draw some eyes on it. You can use this Sharpie here. And no, I'm not an artist, by the way. I don't draw. But I'm doing my best here. Alright, so there's the eyes. And you can draw spots on here if you want, which I might as well do. I'll just do little tiny dots like this. Because I just want to get this video done. Yeah, isn't that a cute ladybug? So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys were able to fold that and make a demo of it if you folded it, because I'd like to see it. So yeah, alright, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.